Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing fine. Today I'm sharing with you all a very delicious recipe of chicken pilau. To start off, we're going to heat some oil in a large pot and we'll fry some sliced onion till they turn golden brown. This is a recipe that I've learned from my khala, and I did give this a few of my own touches, but the recipe is exactly how I learned from her. So after we are going to fry our sliced onions and they turn golden brown color, we are going to add some water to it. Well guys, at this point I would suggest that put the chopped ginger, garlic and green chili paste and fry it with the onions, but honestly I forgot to do that, so I added it later. So here I am adding some whole garam masala. I'm going to be listing down all the ingredients in the description box below, so don't worry about it. You can get all the ingredients and from the description box. So we are going to fry some of the whole garam masala as well, so that it loses the fragrance and aroma, and it's going to make the pilau very fragrant, because the whole spices are kind of going to get fried along with the onions. As you've seen, I've also added some water. The reason of adding some water is that the onion are going to release that brown color, which is going to give the beautiful brown color to our final cooked rice. So make sure that at this point you don't let your onion go extra brown, otherwise the rice is going to look not that appetizing. I go for golden brown color because that's the color I like. So after some time, when the oil is released and the water evaporated, I added the ginger, garlic and green chili paste, or chopped ginger, garlic and green chili. You can do that along with the onions, but I am adding at this point, so it's fine. Just fry everything together, and then do add a little extra water at this point as well, so that the onions and the ginger, garlic and green chili paste doesn't burn. And just let it fry for a couple of seconds before you add your chicken pieces. So we're going to fry the chicken pieces along with this paste. We'll also be adding some salt at this point, and the other half of the salt we're going to reserve and we'll add when we're going to add our rice. So again, fry the chicken pieces till they turn till they change the color and are half way cooked through. So we're going to just keep on frying the chicken pieces, and you can see at this point the masala has released the oil and chicken has beautifully fried. It's not fully cooked yet, but it is, like, you can say that half cooked. So we are going to continuously fry our chicken pieces with the masala, and then when it's done, we are going to add some chopped tomatoes and our spices. So the spices are very simple, not a lot of spices, because pilau is of course different from biryani, so you don't add lots of spices to it. But here I'm adding some coriander powder and dried coriander powder, some whole garam masala powder, and some black pepper powder, and also I'm going to mix everything together. And at this point I'm also going to add some beaten yogurt. Excuse the bad camera angle, but I'll learn. So at this point we are going to add the freshly ground nutmeg, mace and fennel seed powder. We're going to continuously cook till the masala is ready, oil separates, and we're going to add the water. We're going to measure the water according to the rice we'll be cooking. So once the water starts boiling, we are going to add the other half of the salt, and then we'll add our soaked rice to the prepared stock, and we'll let it cook till the rice is almost done and the water evaporates. Once the water evaporates, we're going to put some garnish on top before it goes to cook on the simmer. And once our rice is done, we're going to lightly fluff it so that the steam is released and our rice doesn't go mushy. And then we're going to serve it, and that's how it looks. I've served it with some raita. You can serve it with plain yogurt as well, but it does go well with some vegetable raita. So that's all for now, guys. I hope you guys are going to give this recipe a try, and will definitely be leaving the feedback. As always, all of the ingredients and their measurements along with all of my social media handles are mentioned in the description box below. Keep liking, keep sharing and commenting, and do subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. I shall be back with more really soon. In the meantime, take good care of yourself and of your loved ones. Bye for now.